Hello guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can sign up to your Netflix account. So, I'm here and we're teaching you a very easy step regarding this. And if you have any problem or any queries regarding the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Netflix app. On your right, you can see sign in option. You can go over here or you can go to get started as well. And then just go with sign in on the top right corner. And now over here, just have your email and then have your password. And then just press on sign in and you will be signed up to your Netflix account. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.